Hello, my name is Oliver Minns. I'm one of the area sales managers here at Logic, and today I'm going to introduce you to the S215H power brush. This machine features a 1.35 metre wide brush which is powered by a Honda GX160 petrol engine. The machine is in its transport position at the moment, so it's running on its wheels, and when you're ready to start sweeping, by moving this lever here, it will drop down into the work position. The amount of pressure applied to the bristles on the brush is adjusted on a link here, which allows you to vary how aggressive you are on the surface you're sweeping. The brush can be angled from the left or the right, or straight forward as it is here, which is very simply done on this link bar here with two securing R clips.